Mi 10 specifications leaked. According to the leak, the Xiaomi Mi 10 will come packing the following specifications. 6.5-inch OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 865 mobile platform, up to 12GB RAM, up to 256GB storage, quad rear camera with Sony IMX686 primary, 20MP ultrawide, 12MP telephoto, and 5MP macro camera, 30x digital zoom capability, 4500 mAh battery with 40W fast charging, and 30W fast wireless charging. The Mi 10 is expected to come in 3 variants: 8GB, 128GB, 8GB, 256GB, and 12GB, 256GB. The leak also showed off the Mi 10 price in China, but most of it is blurred out in the image. The only thing that we can see is that the highest variant of the phone, with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage, will be priced under, full with yen sign, 3,999, Indian rupee sign, 40,000. Mi 10 Pro specifications leaked. The leaker also showed off the specifications for the Mi 10 Pro, which is rumored to come with the following specs, based on the leak. Snapdragon 865 mobile platform, 108MP plus 48MP plus 12MP plus 8MP quad rear camera, 12GB RAM, up to 512GB storage, 4500 mAh battery with 66W fast charging and 40W fast wireless charging. The leak doesn't mention anything about the screen size for the Mi 10 Pro, so it might be the same as the Mi 10, but that's just a shot in the dark right now. It should definitely be an OLED screen though. The Mi 10 Pro is expected to come in 3 variants as well: 12GB, 128GB, 12GB, 256GB, 12GB, 512GB. The leak also showed the Mi 10 Pro price for all variants. According to the leak, the 12GB, 128GB variant of the Mi 10 Pro will be priced at, full with yen sign, 3,799, Indian rupee sign, 38,000. The 12GB, 256GB variant will be priced at, full with yen sign, 4,099, Indian rupee sign, 41,000.